Let's make a compilation from your streams of you, you saying dumb as fuck or dumb as shit. I gave up because it was too much. Wow, okay. Am I that repetitive? Oh, I really want to see that. Fuck. Above me? That is above me. I'm dumb as shit. Oh no, it's not. I'm dumb as fuck. The glitch mods are dumb as fuck. This is dumb as fuck. Dumb as shit, bro. Oh, you're dumb as shit. That's dumb as shit. It's dumb as shit. Oh no, we can't do that. No mind. I'm dumb as shit. Whoa. I'm dumb as fuck. I thought that was dumb as fuck. You're dumb as shit. He's dumb as fuck. That's dumb as fuck. I'm dumb as fuck. It was a mine though. I'm dumb as fuck. Because I read it and I was like, okay, that's dumb as fuck. And then I thought about it. It's like, I'm dumb as fuck. But... oh, edit invite. Dumb as shit. Right, okay. That's dumb as shit. I'm dumb as fuck. So if I get penalized, it's dumb as fuck. This is dumb as shit. But they were playing dumb as fuck in the previous 2 rounds. Dumb as shit. Because that's just dumb as shit.
I've seen so many people like defib and just play around with the little character.
It's just dumb as fuck. Dumb as shit. You know. You just tap once. This is dumb as shit. 60 damage. With hardly any effort. Like, okay, fair enough, the team's like all sat together, that's dumb as shit, even if the grenade falls in there. But they at least have time to, you know, react to the grenade would be dumb as shit, I don't know. I think that's dumb as shit. Fun to use. This is dumb as shit. Oh, that's dumb as fuck. This building is just dumb as fuck. Melee is just dumb as fuck. I'm just dumb as shit. The fact that you get 2 cranes and a massive elevated platform and another massive elevated platform is dumb as fuck. What the fuck? It's dumb as fuck. How'd that work? What is that, bro? Why is there a wall there? That's dumb as shit. That's dumb as fuck. That's dumb as fuck. That's dumb as fuck. Yeah, it's dumb as fuck. Am I that repetitive?